Aku apa tip siapang cumi. Gak kermen pat. Bapak nom si kelayang ah.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Kum Shibanta ka Rakhe ya ka Cooperative Week 2026 ha Meghalaya ki dekhot bat ki promoter jong ka Handsome Transport and Tourism Cooperative Society Limited ha ka Sautrik unaitung arjara pun rio kala pelong ya ka Pynmareh Thong kabala ai kerteng kum ka Run in the Rain kabala sedang na ka sinong maumi thiet bat la penkot pat ha ka sinong laidu ya kani ka Pynmareh Thong la phia ha ki kerdan bapher kata ha ka kerdan junior ki bakhatsan snam hadu life snam ki ba life snam hadu saupusan snam ki ba saupunriu snam hadu sanpusan snam bat ki ba sanpunriu snam karta shaneng ha kani ka jia ko mare thong lai simbentalang dai me kman walang ibala long ka wei ne ki nong mare ibala job ha ki jia ko mare marathon shabar ka jilla bat shabar ka riru kumjo
5 4 3 2 1 all the best.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.